Hi guys, this is Vicky Denta. So today I'll be talking about bad breath. Let me ask you a question. Do you struggle with bad breath? Or do you have a friend or know someone that struggles with bad breath? Maybe you notice it after brushing or someone hinted at you. Don't worry, this video is for you. Today I'm going to be breaking down the common causes of bad breath and more importantly how we can get rid of it for good. Please stick around and let's watch this video till the end. Okay, the most common culprit is poor oral hygiene. When we don't brush or floss properly, food particles stick around in the mouth and bacteria feed on them, and those bacteria produces smelly gases, which is bad breath. Another big reason is tongue coating. Yes, you heard me right, tongue coating. Your tongue can trap bacteria and debris, food debris. So if you are not cleaning it, it will be a breeding ground for odor. I know some of us we've not heard about a tongue scraper before. There's after if you cannot use your brush, which probably the bristle is too hard for your tongue, you can actually use what, don't worry, we'll still talk about that one. We should not just divert. The third reason is dry mouth. Dry mouth is another factor. The thing is that saliva helps us to wash away food and bacteria in the mouth, but when your mouth is dry, when your mouth is dehydrated, you will notice that you'll be having what we call bad breath. Another thing is our food, the kind of food that we eat. Food plays a major role in the breath that comes out of our mouth. You can imagine you eating garlic, or you can imagine you eating a food that has plenty amounts of garlic inside. Definitely after that meal, if you do not brush or probably eat something that will take away that from you, it causes bad breath. The fifth thing I'm going to be talking about is probably you have underlying ailment. You can have people with diabetes, people with health issues, GERD, all those sicknesses, they can actually cause bad breath. Okay, now after hearing all this, you want to know, do I have bad breath? I don't even know if I have bad breath or not. Okay, I'm going to be telling you two ways you can check if you have bad breath. Firstly, grab a tooth floss. Grab some floss, use it between your back teeth. Don't use it at the front. You might not really get, because most of the time our front teeth are actually for cutting, not really for masticating, not really for grinding. So use your floss at the back, use it at the in between your teeth. Use your floss, put it in between and smell it. Right, when you smell it, if there is an odor, that's a clear sign that you have bad breath. Okay, another thing you can do is, I was talking the other time, I was talking about what we called tongue scraper. Okay, fine, you're saying no, what's tongue scraper? Oh, I don't have a tongue scraper. It's fine, you can get a spoon or tongue scraper. Like I said, gently scrape your tongue and smell the residue, and then you will know if you have a bad breath or not. But if you are brave enough, you can ask someone you trust to be honest with you. Okay, how can we fix bad breath? Now that I know that's what you're waiting for, how to get rid of bad breath. The first thing I'll be talking about is make sure you brush and floss at least twice a day. Make sure you are reaching all surfaces of your teeth and and your tongue. Yes, don't forget your tongue. Yes, that's the second thing. Use a strong scraper or brushing your tongue. If you use a tongue scraper, trust me, it's going to make a huge difference on the breath that comes out of your mouth. The third thing is stay hydrated. A lot of us don't drink water. We just see water as water is just when I'm thirsty. No, when you are dehydrated, like I said the other time, it can make you to have bad breath. Bad breath can be coming out of your mouth. So drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your mouth moist and rinse away bacteria. Trust me, when you drink water regularly, right, when you drink plenty water, what it does is that it actually wash away the bacteria in your mouth. Trust me, we eat different kind of things every day, and the thing is that bacteria are in our mouth. Drinking plenty of water is going to help our mouth stay hydrated and avoid bad breath. The fourth thing is use a mouthwash, right? Look for one mouthwash that fights bacteria. Don't just buy anyhow mouthwash. Look for that one that fights bacteria. Like, it's not just the one that is just going to mask the smell. It's not just the one that will just mask it, or what's it called. No, if you need me to recommend a mouthwash for you, you can just comment below, and I'm going to give you and tell you the mouthwash that is tested and trusted. So another thing you can just do a simple salt water procedure, like salt water rinse. Yeah, you can comment below, like I said the other time. The 15th is avoid odor causing food. I said it the other time, people that like to eat garlic, onions. You can imagine if you are going for a meeting and you are someone that likes garlic or something like that, and your mouth is oozing out. Finally, visit your dentist regularly. I know a lot of people has not been to a dental clinic in when, like, what video years now. Okay, sometimes persistent bad breath can be a sign of gum disease, cavity that needs professional care. So after doing all these 5 things that I just said before, and you notice that it's not working out, please kindly visit your dentist. Thank you. I hope these tips help you feel more confident about your breath. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more dental tips like this one. And if you have any questions or any comments or any advice, please leave a comment below. I would love to help. Thank you.